Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.